New set. Just going to continue on with the same colors because I just love them, but I'm going to put them in a different order. So the last one I put black first, gold and white. Now I'm going to put white first, black, and then gold. Let's see what happens. Ooh, that is stunning. Love that white first. Gonna continue doing that. That's beautiful. So white first, then black, then the gold. Whoa, a little bit too much. Oh, wow. That's stunning. Gorgeous. Wow. This is my favorite. Oh, that's incredible. Really beautiful.
For anyone wondering, I did reuse that nice puddle of paint there. Now, even though it looks like I am using a lot of paint and a lot of it does drip off, I found that this was the best way to do this to get that really abstract look. I've been meaning to do this on a larger scale and I haven't done so yet, but keep watching my channel, I might surprise you. Sorry I keep going out of the frame, it's just the way I had focused my camera.
Wow, another gorgeous one. This is so beautiful. I love the way they turned out. So simple, but very dramatic as well. Love the way that looks, the simplicity of it. I think this is my favorite.